Start recording. Yeah, that's how it starts. Look what a nice picture they have here. Yes, I mean, they should have saved that here, Sparky inside. I mean, honestly, they make such a nice, good-looking distro, and this is screwing it up. So I might have to put my picture on. So what happened in between? This is again LXQT. I had LXQT installed. Yeah, that was the last video. Then after video, I updated everything, rebooted. And then I went here in execute into the app center. So if you run this you have to wait often because these scripts seem to take some time. Booting goes super fast. It's almost like they have sys in it running, sys5 in it. And for example, Synaptic is somewhere installed here. You can't find it. Yeah, it's nowhere here. But if you search, you might have to have a look. There it is. It's the drive client. I don't know where it is. Let's have a look if I can find it. That's what I installed. Usually shows up here. Others is nodes. And where could be drives? Some system tools. No. Program, sound, video. Others, no. Office. No. Internet. Okay, there's a knowledge drive. So, however, I could not find Synaptics. So I searched for it and I just dropped it into this panel here. That's what you got to do. So, and if you run this, you have to, when you use your scripts here, what's what I wanted to show? Oh yeah, system. So I wanted to, when you use these scripts, you have to wait. It always takes a moment. I'll show you that. So what I usually do is, even with updates, I always move the window by side, because usually the window shows here, and the terminal opens up behind this, so you never see it. And with update window, I had to sometimes run it twice. So run the first time, I waited, and nothing happened. I said, okay. Then I manually started it. And then this window happens behind, of course, always covered by here. Yeah, that was nasty what I just did here, right? So then I went into NVIDIA. Look, here, wait for it. I put this by side because now there it is. And if you have this before, usually it's the most things are smaller when they open the terminal. So I will do not install this, 100% not. So I killed my LXQT, then it even froze my machine. After I rebooted first, I was found myself in a terminal. Well, it's NVIDIA, right? That's the same thing when, I mean, yeah, I don't want to say the word Arch anymore because they are totally insane now. Yeah, I mean, the madness is going around and catch people obviously off guard, and then they're not protected. So I installed this and everything was toast. The good thing is you can always go in advanced and boot in a different kernel, right? So it's not that the system is dead. But I would not know how to get out of that kernel or fix it. So maybe I had to go into the, what is it called? Recover mode. But then again, once Xorg is damaged, there were some errors and I said, you know, screw you all. So then I said, okay, I'll just install Sparky XFCE. So I installed Sparky XFCE and the same result. Updated it, except I got a higher kernel. I've got the 619, and once I came back to conscious, because I fainted when I saw this. So here I'm still, after the update, I still have kernel 6.1274. And I think I will freeze that here after I install VirtualBox, because there would kmods on, the modules on, kernel modules, I can't speak anymore. And then I freeze the whole thing. 6.12 is more than enough. Having said this, so here, yeah, I do not play, and I mean, it's not a gaming. It's not for gaming here, the with NVIDIA, right? So in the earlier days it was, oh yeah, it must do it. No, it must not, because I've got Nobara, right, 39 and 42, and my games are on it and they still run. And to be honest, with updates, most updates are not security updates. they call it bug fix, and you know, they fix one bug or two, and you get 3 new ones. So no, if I can't feel the bugs, and it's running fine, I'm not updating. I still have that's what was my rescue here. My PC, it has still Salix on, yeah, Slackware. That is just rock solid, because every now and then it has actually every now and then security updates, but like OpenSSH and stuff like that, you know, the tiny things, really tiny kilobits, and it's still on kernel 5 something, so you're totally safe from Rust and Insanity, and there's wonderful, no systemd, all this stuff. So I love it. I'm thinking of putting, because it's so lightweight, it's so fast, I want to put it on my I have a mini PC here. I think I'll put it on that. Yeah, and I'm not telling you what else is coming. I downloaded quite a few ISOs. Some I tested 6, 7, 8 years ago, so they're coming back. They're always coming back. I circle always around the same thing, you know. I don't go for the shiny and hype and whatever. Yeah, there's always the hype going on, and no, like what's that, catchy, for example, and they're so, let's say, weird in the forums, blocking, banning, knowing it. I mean, no thank you. But then you can go to Arch, or, you know, it's the same thing meanwhile. Here, virtual, that is virtual machines. Yeah, Word Manager and VirtualBox. I will try this out. Not yet, because I do that offline. Or, we'll see. Maybe we'll do it together then, but not now, because now I can't. It's already 2100 here. My dog just came back in. She had a very nice day, I hope. Kernel. So yeah, in worst cases, you can always go here and Sparky kernel. I must say, I like what you see, the script that take time. Yeah. So you have to be carefully. See, and for example, if something else pops up, you will not see it. It's not there. So you always have to watch out. If you pop something up, it's not showing. That's usually the thing. So you can even go to 6.12. What do I have? What did I say what I have? 6.12. Okay, that's the one. I might be on the LTS. It doesn't say LTS, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Oh, if it's the LTS, I'm fine with that. I don't want to have any latest here. No. Do nothing. I can do nothing. I'm really good in doing nothing. Alright, so yeah, installed, by the way, that's the same, HP lib GUI, I installed that. It's not under accessories, you can't find it. Under graphics, it's not here either. Internet, it's not here either. Office, you have address book and fax utility, but you do not have the toolbox, that's the one you need for the installation. Nothing others, nothing programming, nothing sound video, nothing system tools, nothing universal access, nothing. But if you search here, so that's the thing that could be LXQT, right? Here's the toolbox, you see, and then you have everything what you need. It works. Ran, see? Is that refresh all? Yeah, here that is. All right. So I have it here too, but I made it blind or whatever that's called. Oh, it says in blue recording. Oy. Remove alt kernel, alt system kernel. Yeah, I don't know what the alt system kernel is. Let's see. Not that I damage here my system right now. That's my third install. Installed. Okay, so I could have maybe just removed the 6.19 kernel in the XFCE version. Yeah. So I like the tools they have. You know, I mean, honestly, I said that in the last video. They really put some thoughts in. And I don't know what that is. If it boots, it feels like it is running on Runit, just 5 in it or something. It's super fast. Bam! Even the latest, I mean, the kernel 6.19, I don't know, you know, supposed to be an LTS kernel as much as I know, but I just got allergy for Rust. So, shells, packages, what is packages? Upt. Oh, okay. Most of the, it said it doesn't show that's installed. Here's Synaptic, it's installed, but if you click on it, Ran. Wait. We all have no time. We are living in a time where swipe. So here it says, it's already installed. I would have not known. I mean, I could have, now I have Synaptics here because it doesn't show in the menu, right? Synaptics does not show. Well, that is that. So, yeah, and I would say because this is so nice made, it will be stress tested. I tell you, this will be sadly very stress tested. We have lots of things to do here. I tell you, this is a good desktop for playing around, doing things. I mean, in between, I prepared for work, right? So my email will be working. I got my browser. I've got my Nextcloud here already somewhere. Or is it here? That's my Nextcloud. I've got my Sonderknolle drive running soon. So this will be ready for work because I want to see. Yeah, it's not good enough. Most people that just run the live ISO. Yeah, it has LibreOffice Writer, it has LibreOffice Calc, and it has this. Yeah, great. That doesn't tell you anything how it's running, like what I had, killing the system twice trying to install the NVIDIA driver. Holy moly, that is giving me trouble, I tell you that. Yeah, but that's I would guess that's NVIDIA because it gave me the same trouble on Linux Lite, right? The 500 version, when that gets installed, Linux Lite at least could boot up one time. No, once it booting, I had the same. Yeah, I was gone. But in Linux Lite, I have a different menu. Then I can figure out, read the number, and then I just install that. Then I might try it again here on Sparky. Because I think this is just a typical thing, that is given. You have an NVIDIA graphic card, you use NVIDIA drivers, you will have problems. It's guaranteed. It just comes with a package. You pay extra for it. What is graphics editors? GIMP? So they have FreeCAD. I don't know what version that is. But I have a photographic memory. I have just to think for a moment here. So, 1.0. Okay. Aren't they on 1.1 now? Don't know. Yeah. Oh yeah, GIMP. Is GIMP inside? No, it's not. So as I said, I mean, they have so much. Oh yeah, look at that. But it's not. Oh yeah, I have to take that out. Graphics. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, if you can read, you have a huge advantage in this world. You can really install tons and tons and tons of things, I must say. It's really, yeah, it's amazing. So, yeah, we will stress test that. Because there's lots of things. By the way, on my laptop with MX, I don't know if it's on my laptop or whatever happened there. I couldn't, 3 ISOs I wanted to download. And they always broke up after 500 megabyte, 468 megabyte. I said, what the heck is going on? So what I installed, I did the same here because I just didn't want to have any further problems. UGET. I don't know if you remember this. Yeah, it looks like that. UGET. And that works like that. So if you go for something somewhere and let's say Sparky. Do we have Sparky here? Oh yeah. That happens when you click around like crazy. Look at that. Okay, one more. One click should be enough. Yeah, it reminds me on this Pop OS, right? Pop OS had the not so strong. Pop OS actually I didn't have that strong of a delay, and that was with the file manager. Open previews. So that's what I usually do. Opening, show, settings, asked, blah 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 blah. Where's the download? Check for spelling. Here's the download. No download yet. Okay, let's go with this. Browsing. Oh yeah, okay, I'll ask to save. Okay, alright, that worked. Homepage, yeah, good enough to me. Support LibreWolf. I'll click that away for now. This looks good. DuckDuckGo, that looks also okay. Privacy, tell website not to sell my, as if that would do something. It's the same like if you have Facebook, please don't spy on me, click. Okay, that's all set nicely. That's also set nicely. I love it. So the Wolf did a good job here. And extensions. That's always a... No, we have to go Firefox extension. Doink. And here we are. And then of course we're all using KeyPass XC. Right? There it is. Add on. Continue to install. Okay. Click. And then click again. Pin here. Off we go. Good is. Oh yeah, let's see what they have here. So if I go in App Center, I think they have a search function here. It searched through whatever they got here. See, there's a proper delay here. Now that's a long time to wait. I have no clue what that is, but we have to live with that, I guess. Search. That is. Key, pass. Drain. Oh, yeah, you know, this is an antivirus program, something which goes through all your data. KeyPass X. But there's no KeyPass X. Password Gorilla. I don't know. Let's have a quick look here. Yeah, password is the same. Yeah, you always get forced to use a very uncomfortable password for at least for virtual machine. And then I just changed it. And the same happened with installing HPLib. They're asking you for a root password, but you don't have one. So you just go in the terminal, say password PASSWD, sudo, yeah, before that, and then password, and then root, and then you have to put your sudo password in, and then you give root a password, and you will be all right. KeyPass X, what is that? Yeah. Pictures say more than 1,000 words. KeyPass X. Screenshots. Okay. What's the difference? Special functions, maybe? Exclude look all. This is just password. Repeat password. Password contains characters. I see. No, I don't. Auto type properties. How does this look? Advanced auto properties history. It's maybe worth to have a look, but then I would install it maybe as a Flatpak or something, or download. Yeah, I don't know. Might want to switch to KeyPass XC. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. But yeah, they still have KeyPass X here for what reason soever. And I'll go for full because here somebody tampered with the KeyPass thing. That's why they usually say, you know what, they were fighting about this. And they say usually install the Flatpak, but I'd rather have that here, to be honest. I want full. So here we go. Yeah, I see what you got local can't be hacked so easily, no? Not, at least not on the internet. As I showed in a few videos, 3 billion reasons never to do anything really online. Because once it gets hacked, and it usually gets hacked. Error, download performed, unsandbox. Oh yeah, okay, that doesn't really mean anything. Alright. Talking about hacked, right? It doesn't mean anything. Hold your me. System tools. I can't find key pass. Accessories. There it is. Yeah, that looks normal to me. That's good. There we go. Okay, it doesn't work. So that's another thing. You have to go move to the left, move to the left, move to the left. That's a long moving thing. Doink, doink. Alright, so file manager is always here. Terminal is always the last on the right. So what I like is if you go on different screens, it shows you still everything. So you don't have to go extra and change it. So, you know what? I'm definitely looking into these things here too, because I like the idea of what they have there. I mean, yeah, Weiger Tor, you definitely have to have Tor. Seahorse, that is for your GPG keys, right? That works perfectly with Evolution, for example. I don't know if Cleopatra works with Evolution, but Seahorse does work fine with them. Alright, so this looks all good to me. I mean, as I said, they have everything. I'm not kidding. If I wouldn't have wasted so much time with reinstall and install NVIDIA and crash the system and do it again and again, and then I had to run almost 2 hours scrubbing my virtual my hard drive here for my virtualizer. So the 2 terabyte SSD still took almost a little bit more than 1.5 hours just for scrubbing it. Of course, I had to switch the computer off with power holding, and that's never good for a hard drive. Has never been in the past, and it's never in the future. Present, I can tell you, didn't work either. Right? So, yeah, I mean, man, they got... This is definitely worth looking into this here. I like it. It's nice organized. Yeah, science, you can screw that. We had enough of that, I guess. Internet. And I do believe that their Firefox, I haven't installed it yet, I mean my profile. I think that's the ESR. Well, do we not have a help section about ESR? You see, look at that. So they have Firefox ESR and they have Thunderbird ESR. It's the same, I think, what Devuan has, right? They also have ESR. That's what I complain with Slackware, or let's say with Salix at least. They do not have the ESR version from Thunderbird. Because I don't want to have all the latest and, you know, update. Oh, we have a new button here. Look at that. It's round. It's not square anymore. Yeah, I don't need an update for that. So, I want to be left alone. I don't want to update much. I would never have auto updates. So I have some glitches here. We'll see. Well, graphic glitches, of course. Well, let's see if that comes with applications too, because that's their scripts, and I think that can just happen, right? So, memory. Yeah, I wish there would be in megabyte. That would look nicer. That would have been good in the 1990s. Yeah, that would have been a nice screen. Yeah, dear me, that time is flying. Alright, yeah, so sorry guys, it's nothing really new except the experience I had. NVIDIA driver, of course, gives me trouble. Is that a deal breaker? 100% not, absolutely not. I must say for now it runs fast. Yeah, let's have a look one more time, because last time they had no repros. They pull everything out of nothing, and then some apps are also in nothing. Yeah, okay, ippity pippity pow, they do magic. I mean, isn't that amazing? I might go in the config file one day. I'll just have to have a look there. But I mean, as much as I know, Synaptic is opening up the config files and shows you that, so that shouldn't be any difference. But that's here, ippity pippity pow. Look, no repositories. That explains why some things can't be found except you search for them. I don't know, Sparky, you're not going to heaven for using witchcraft here. You're going straight to no, it's not witchcraft. So that's actually not that funny, but well, we're living in a very, very dire world. Okay, so this is rolling. Oh, I don't know how much time went by again. Yeah, I just like how can I say, I'm mesmerized by that app center what they have. That is absolutely amazing. I love it. That's really, really good. What is info doing? Public installation. Yeah. All these people. You see, that's what I'm saying here about Linux. I think they're coming from Poland, which actually doesn't really matter. But Linux is humans working for humans. And as I said in the other video, if the madness continues, problem is systemd has the spicing already in, and they will all get it, because it's for later. It will come in. Even Colorado is now saying maybe, yeah, no, open source, maybe not at all, because there seems to be somebody has a brain cell lighted up that he figured out, oh yeah, it's not working. Right? Well, surprise. However, so because it's not happening, it's I'm not having it. There's just no way. No age verification. 3 billion reasons why you can't do that. And if it breaks your computer when you're offline, you know, no, not having it on my computer. And if really these monkeys from Klaus Schwab think I shouldn't have a computer, I think they shouldn't be living, then the whole world would be in a better place. Man, that would be nice. And the CO2 and carbon, which we all save when they're not flying with their jets around, right? That's wonderful, would be. Unattended notification. Okay. No, I don't want to see this. It's always support, Nextcloud support, Nextcloud support, Nextcloud. No, I don't want it. So I like the time. Volume is on 40%. I mean, LXQT, I think that makes it maybe so fast. When you boot it up, it goes yeah. But here like that, file manager is fast too. So the script's taking long. Everything else seems to be alright here. Let's see, browser. Boink. Yeah, browser takes a moment, but still good enough. Alright, that looks all good to me. What's Firefox doing? Oh, even slower. And Thunderbird I haven't installed yet. My profile. KeyPass, that should be super quick. Yeah, there it is. Boink. Yeah, so I'm preparing it to make it also a daily driver. It doesn't mean I run it daily. My laptop is usually what I daily run for now, because I'm working on it. My wife comes down on Friday, making my weekend usual hell. I will try to make a video maybe tomorrow, 1 or 2, that I can maybe upload one on Saturday or Sunday, just that you guys have something. Because the idea is not just look how smart I am, because we are nobody really is. I'm happy that here are people on the channel who know things and help me out, like with Brave, right? And D15, that was very nice. That's pretty nice. And it should be a little bit entertaining, because we have to go away from this click, 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 click. This, you know, when people just watch, I don't know, 1 minute, 2 minutes. That is this TikTok thing, and that gives people dementia, and it breaks focus and attention span, and it's absolutely unhealthy for your mind and your brain. So then rather sit with a cup of coffee, listen of all the smart stuff I have to say, enjoy the little things we have here. Yeah, I mean, if you have trouble with downloading, it breaks up whatsoever. Just get this thing here, then you don't have to click always. It will take over. So I'll show you just how that looks like. What can we do, for example? Let's say we would go for Sparky. Sparky Linux. So if you go for download, doink. See semi-rolling, for example. But just for the fun of it, copy link. They're taking it over. Oh yeah, no, it's not. Let's see if that is catching it. No, it's not. That's weird. The other things it did. Okay, here it is actually. I must have clicked something. So then I can just click it, and here it goes. So then you don't have to worry about a thing. This will do it. But I have that already, so I will delete entry and file. Bye bye. I like this little thing. Before the other things, I mean, there were direct links. I just right clicked on it and boom, it catched it right away. So I like that. Clipboard works quietly. Clipboard monitor. Command line works quite. Oh, okay. It could be because I use LibreWolf. That might just protect it. You know what? Why not try it out? You know, while we're already here, let's try again. Stable. ISO image. Not catching it. No? Okay, then it wasn't here. Alright then. Yeah, the other website it worked. It was just clipboard in here and worked automatically. Which is fine by me. Whatever works, right? You can just right click and go here and then you download and then it shows here, it shows actually right away. Alright, so they have a shortcut here. Control N. So all you do is Control N. Ching, there it is. Alright, yeah, so I like these little tools. It's the same GR Sync is the one when I copy stuff around. Let's say from let's say from your computer to a hard drive, to an external hard drive, or the other way around. Because in case something goes wrong, you don't have to start by zero and you don't know where's left over and which file was just written half and all that stuff. So I don't like to use normal copy and paste. For single files like an ISO file, okay, if that kicks a bucket, then you know. But if you copy, let's say, directories with files, that is a no-go. So GR Sync is much better with that. And yeah, here UGET. UGET is pretty good too. And what do we always put on? And then I have to switch the video off here. Then I have to. We want this. There it is. Must have. Right? I showed how that works, no? With a picture. So. I don't do it now, but it's very nice to have. It's definitely good. Alright. Now we have it too. Is it showing? Most likely not, no? Graphics? Oh yeah, it's in graphics. Oh, that's not too bad. Alright. So yeah, we definitely have stuff to do with Sparky. I mean, it's... Phew, I think we have lots of things to do. I will do the installation videos too. Because... it's a Flatpak I have to install. What was it called? I'll check on my laptop. I should have it there. How to put videos together. Flathub. Yeah, they want to do age verification. Yeah, as I said, if they start the whole thing, then I'll go on nature, which will be nice because people will start waking up. And then these people will be in real trouble. Because when people get off the brainwashing machine, they will start thinking straight again. Where is it? Let me have a look here. Video. I have to look when I read it, then I know it. I have to write it down. I might still have it in my... Look at that. That's usually a good tool, and it's on the bottom somewhere. Oh, what was that called? Loss cut. Lossless cut. That's something you want. Because when I have videos, you know, and I have to reboot, then I can just put them together and you will never even know. Do I have a accessory? Yeah. Okay, it's in the front. What can we do? So I'll put that here. And then Flathub. where's the setup? Setup, here we go. So it's Debian. So we do that first. There we go. No, I don't want any of this. Let's first see if that works here. Zzzt. Okay, so we have to add this. Now we have repositories. no ippity pippity pow. I have no clue how they did it. Wow. Yeah, I might have to restart, right? That is possible. Ah, I think I was on the running version. Oi, oi, oi. Pause clipboard. The whole clipboard. Ah, you see. Yeah, the system made a mistake. You're not allowed to rewind and have a look. I think I shall say, yeah, I started that one. It can't run it if it's not there. So you see, every now and then I think we need that, this flat packs. It's always for me last resource, but it's better last resource than never, right? Because it makes it easier to push videos together. Then yeah, then I can do the installation, the reboot, and all that. But that is that. When this is done, even now, I will just cut the video off, guys. I wish you a good night. I'll have tomorrow. What do I have to do? Let me have a quick look. I have work in the afternoon, then my wife comes, and then there's hell on earth. And then I have to work. First I have to work, then comes my wife, then there's hell on earth. Oh well, we'll see what we do. Okay, guys. Have a good night. I hope you liked that video. At least, I mean, we know now that NVIDIA is causing trouble like crazy. And it's just what it is. Okay. Deal breaker? No, it's not a gaming distro. It's for work and stuff. And let's say board games or something, right? Something what I can win. So it might not show up at all, but it should be video. Not yet. Most likely I have to reboot, right? Oh man. Yeah, I would have to reboot for this. Okay, guys, this is it. I call it a night. Because I have to be rebooted anyway, right? And you see I have a pause button. So that's nice having it. Okay, then this is it. I like this. I mean, let's have a quick look. I like the desktop thing here, the background. But see, I didn't like that. What does this look like? It's the same, right? Oh yeah, okay. Somehow it made its way up. On the other hand, which was there was something nice too. I think things have changed. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, that's nice too. If there's no. Oh, I mean, Sparky, you got to get rid of this. You know, if I want to see nature, not your writing, right? I know I'm on Sparky Linux here. So, well, what can you do? I mean, there are tools how to get that out, but that's not the idea. So this is screwing that nice picture up. I have to put my own on then later. No, the video is done for today. Just screwed it up. Okay, guys, have a good night. See you next time. Stay healthy. Stay out of the DDoS attack and relax. Watch longer videos. It's better than this swipe, 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 swipe. Okay, I'm out now. Swipe. Bye-bye, guys.